Hey everyone, so I'm currently launching LexAI, and this is basically your AI powered legal assistant. So basically, what LexAI will do, it can generate contracts for you, review documents, and get legal guidance with professional grade AI tools. So essentially, this would be for your lawyers, your law firms, and just individuals looking to get into the career of law or either needing help with a career of law. So, say you're a realtor, for example, and you need to draft a contract. You could go into our contract section right over here, and there will still be a lot more features coming to this. This is still day one, so we are still working on the front end stuff. So, say you were a realtor, you would select say house agreement, lease agreement, stuff like that. You would type in the contract details right over here, and then if you would click generate contract, then it would generate you a contract. So this feature doesn't work at the moment. A lot of these features don't work at the moment just because I am still developing the back end aspect of it. So I'm actually thinking of finding some people on Fiverr, some developers on Fiverr, to help me do the back end of it, or hopefully I'll see and just learn myself. So I'll definitely be trying to do a bit of both just to speed things up in the launching phase. So say we just want to do an NDA, we would type here, you type the dates, the parties involved, some requirements and some conditions, then click generate contract, and all of your generated contract would be right over here, as you can see. And then say we go over to document review. This essentially would be, say you're leasing out an office space. You would put up your lease agreement. So you would upload your lease agreement right over here. And then the AI would analyze the document and show potential risks involved and similar stuff like that. Some stuff that are important and stuff like that, just to make sure you're all good. So definitely, this is definitely going to be one of the major things to upload contracts, and the AI can show some potential risks and things like that, and also summarize the contract. So if we go over here to our legal chat, this is our legal assistant. So essentially, what you can do, you can just type in any legal questions, if you say you need legal advice, anything like that, you can just ask our AI legal assistant right over here. And in the future, I definitely want to get a secure database, so therefore there's no breaches of security or anything like that, just so we can be 100% trusted. So say for example you did say for example you stole candy from a store and you admitted it on this ChatGPT Lex AI assistant, then it wouldn't be able to use this against you in court, basically. So all your information would be secure and safe right in LexAI, right in LexAI's database. So essentially, what we'll be doing, a lot of the backend stuff will be done through ChatGPT and similar AIs through it. So, for example, with the document review, we'll use ChatGPT to analyze the document and things like that. So, but we will be also making and fine tuning ChatGPT to Lex AI's expectations. I think that is just going to be the main backend part. I'm still working on the backend, so things definitely could change. And right over here, we would have our current plan. I'll explain this right now for you guys. So, this is just an example of a current plan. So a current plan right here. So basic plan. This could just be for realtors, simple say accountants wanting to draft up legal documents and contracts and things like that. Professional, I would say this is for lawyers, things like that. So this could be for a lawyer, say for a lawyer that doesn't have a paralegal. So this would be perfect for them as they don't have a paralegal. So this will save a lot of time and money on their end just by going over and doing all of this stuff right here. And then enterprise, this would be for law firms looking to automate. So say you are a law firm, you want to automate your business, Lex AI would be perfect for your law firm. As you know, as some of the features I said right here, we have the contract section, document review, and legal checks legal chat. So this will definitely save a lot of time in the future with paralegals and things like that. So that is currently where we are at the moment. So make sure to follow along for LexAI's launch and various things like that. We are starting an Instagram, Facebook, and everything like that. I will make sure to leave that in the description of this video so you can make sure to go and check that out. And yeah, so this is basically your AI powered legal assistant, LexAI. So make sure to subscribe, follow along, like the video. Thank you.